Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about different types of beaks present in birds. A beak is also called a bill, bill. Do you know, children? Birds use their beaks for many purposes. They use it for eating, for holding or carrying food, killing prey, feeding their young ones, and for protecting themselves. Children, do you ever wonder why do we have too many types of beaks in birds? Yes, now let us see the different types of beaks in detail. Let's learn about the tearing beak. This type of beak is found in vultures and eagles. This sharp hooked beak helps them to tear flesh easily. Now let us learn about the cracking beak. Sparrow, pigeon, and peacock crack open seeds and nuts with their short, stout, cone-shaped beak. Now let us learn about the needle-like beak. Birds like hummingbird have long, needle-like beak. It helps them to suck nectar from deep inside the flowers. Let us learn about the chisel-like beak. Birds like woodpecker have a sharp and chisel-like beak. It enables them to make holes in the tree trunk to find insects and worms. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.